The Department of Corrections and Community Supervision is comprised of approximately 29,000 employees across the state, geographically dispersed. We supervise approximately 94,000 offenders inside 60 correctional institutions and 38 field offices across the state. And we're responsible for the care, custody, and treatment of individuals that are sentenced to state prison. And rehabilitation and successful reentry are goals of the department to attempt to return every offender to the community to be successful and productive members of society. For example, a correction officer, you may be appointed with a high school diploma or GED. A parole officer would need a baccalaureate degree. A nurse inside one of our institutions is an associate degree with licensure requirements. And then we also employ things such as licensed master social workers, which the master's level education with licensure through the state education department. Teachers with obviously master's level education with licensure. So we truly are a community inside the walls for our population, and we really attract all different career paths, all working toward the common goal within the criminal justice system. The career options that I spoke of already are actually all at the entry level. A correction officer is an entry level position, as is a parole officer. We also employ offender rehabilitation coordinators, which are more in the counseling field, also an entry level with a baccalaureate degree. Licensed master social worker 2s, again entry level, as well as the teachers. So everything that I spoke of is an entry level with career opportunities for growth and an expansion. With 29,000 employees, we certainly have opportunities for staff to grow with the department and stay with us for a career. And oftentimes, employees that come to us do stay for their careers because it's a very rewarding place to work and does have that upward mobility for staff. I suppose that, like all other correctional programs, that we face a lot of the same things that they're facing, but we have a lot of very progressive programs that we provide our offenders, and constantly providing the programming and that ability to return to society. One of the things that a program that's been very successful in New York is our shock incarceration program. For those offenders convicted of specific crimes who are eligible for placement, it's a rigorous program, highly demanding, where staff are engaged in both physical activity as well as classroom, paramilitary-like, and it's very rewarding and seems to be very well suited for certain offender populations. So, there are many other challenges throughout the system. It can be a very stressful work environment at times, dealing with the offender population, but at the same time, it can be a very rewarding career to see you take an offender from intake to release or post to supervision in the community, and they leave with skills such as a GED or a college degree or things of that matter, and become successful members of society. Yeah, for those that graduate, because New York is based in the Merit and Fitness program, it's required to take a competitive examination. However, relative to internship programs, Governor Andrew Cuomo has recently launched a new New York leadership program whereby college students that are residents in New York can apply through an online portal hosted by the New York State Department of Civil Service, and they can download their resume, input information as to what kind of internship that they are seeking. Agencies will be doing the same thing, indicating what areas they have a need, if there's special degrees, whether it be law degrees or counseling or criminal justice, and they'll match the resumes and supply them to the agencies. It is currently online for employers, and it goes live for students on June 29th. And it is open till the end of July for internship opportunities this fall. So this is a program, again, that has been developed under the governor's leadership, and it's to re-engage the community and specifically college students to bring the best and the brightest to public service.